Today I am here to show you all how to make very delicious keema naans at home. So please note down the ingredients. For this we need chicken mince. Here this is chicken mince keema, approximately 250 grams, 2 onions chopped, 1 tomato chopped, ginger grated or chopped 1 to 1.5 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon crushed garlic. Then in dry spices we need salt as per your taste, red chili powder as per your taste, coriander powder 1 to 1.5 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, this is jeera. Then we need few drops of lemon juice, and here we need onion seeds, this is kalonji, and some freshly chopped green coriander to garnish the naan, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Then here we have our dough to make the naans. Here we have our naan dough. If you want to know the recipe for this, you can watch my other video in which I have shown how to make simple naans at home. So now first of all I'll show you how to make the chicken keema mixture, and then we will make our naans. In a pan I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil. Now to this oil I am going to add this chopped onion, crushed garlic, and in garlic we add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. See, now the onions are light brown in color, and now I'm going to add this chicken mince. So this chicken mince gets cooked very fast, so it just takes a few minutes. As soon as the water dries up, our mince is going to be ready. Along with this, I'm going to add this chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon of salt or to your taste, red chili powder, coriander powder, pinch of haldi powder, turmeric powder, and we will keep stirring this and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes, and our chicken mince is going to be ready. A little bit of water is left, it is drying. Now to this I am going to add a few drops of lemon juice, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Our stuffing is ready, our keema stuffing is ready, and here our dough is ready. Now I'll show you how to make keema naans. So here I'm going to make 4 keema naans. Now we'll take one portion and roll it in between your palms or on your work surface. You can roll it like this, and dusting with little flour, we will roll this dough to a circle of 4 to 5 inches. And now in the middle of this circle I'm going to place some keema mixture, And now, see, taking it in your hands, keep pushing this mixture downwards and pull this together, this dough, and join them here. Press it nicely so that the mixture does not come out. And here, see. So here, see, in the same way we'll make other naans, and then I'll show you how to bake them. Using little water, we'll wet the surface so that the garnishing sticks to it. These chopped green coriander leaves and the onion seeds, or if you want, you can also just slightly once roll the rolling pin on this. So now I'm going to bake it on my tawa. It is hot here. Once it is hot, we have to reduce the flame to medium, and now picking up one naan, apply water nicely on the back side, and we will place it on the tawa. The watered side should come on the tawa. So now it is going to take 1.5 to 2 minutes to be cooked on the bottom side. Then I will flip this over on this mesh. Now the bottom side is well cooked, and now I am going to flip this over on this mesh. It will take a few minutes, and we will get nice brown florets on the other side also. What nice color we got here on both the sides. It is cooked, and now our stuffed keema naan is ready. Friends, here our stuffed keema naans are ready. See how nicely they are baked. Now if you want, you can put some butter. If you want, you can eat them like that. You can eat these naans with any gravy if you want. You can also eat them with any gravy, or if you want, you can enjoy these with curd, pickle or chutney, anything of your taste. It was really easy and simple. Once your dough is prepared, you can quickly make your keema naans or any sort of stuffed naans. So hope you will all try out this recipe at home and enjoy these delicious keema naans. Thank you, friends.